Welcome to Dots and Squiggles, practical help with punctuation. In this video, I'll show you the importance of a hyphen. If two or more words need to be kept together to have the meaning you intend, the hyphen is that glue. There, the word is in two parts, joined by a commonly used letter pattern, like double E or double O. It's better to use a hyphen. Fractions or numbers that comprise more than one word are usually hyphenated. Where a prefix joins a main word which begins with a capital letter, use a hyphen. A hyphen can make the meaning clear for words that are otherwise spelt the same. It's best to avoid breaking a word with a hyphen at the end of a line, but if you have to, break between double letters or syllables. So the hyphen is the superglue that joins two or three words together to give the meaning you intend. Check out the other short videos for help with all the punctuation marks. You're welcome to share this on any social media platform.